Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Today I am going to explain how to read the data from the file in Java. So in the previous section I already explained how to create a new empty file and how to write the data in the file. But in this section I am going to show you how to read the data from the file and display in the console. So for read the data, we have to follow the five major steps. The step one is import the java.io package. This java.io package contains all the file related information like file input stream, file output stream, readers and writers. All the data is stored in a IO package. So step 2 is create a character array to store the data. So here we are creating the character array and coming to the steps 3. Step 3 is create a file reader class object to read the data from the file. So file reader input equal to new file reader. So this input is nothing but a object of file reader, and here we are passing the file name and directory name. So in the E drive the text file contain the some string data. Now we are going to read this data from the text file. So fourth step is call the read method to read the data from the file. So file reader object dot read, and we are passing the array character array. So that means it will read the data from the file. And finally we have to close the file reader object input dot close. That means it will close the file reader object. Now I am going to show you the practical example how we can read the data from the file. Just create a class file header example. So this is my class name. I'm going to select the main method and then click on finish button. Remove the unwanted comments. First step is import the java.io package. IO package, just we are importing the IO package. Second step is create a character array. Now I am going to create a character array here. Array equal to new cat of, and I am passing the 100 as a parameter. So now care of 100 we are passing. So here change the type of array to character array. So here the character array is like this only we have to create. Now I am going to write a try and catch block. If any exception is there, it will handle. So here I am creating the exception object, and in the catch block I am going to print the exception object. In the try block we have to read the data. So third step is create a file reader class object to read the data from the file. So I am going to write the file reader class file reader input. So this input is nothing but a object new file reader, and here we have to pass the path of the file. So here the file is existing in the E drive. File name is text file, so the extension is text. So third step is completed. Fourth step is call the read method to read the data from the file. So here we have to read the data input dot read method, and in the read method we have to pass the character array. Now and the final step is we have to close the file data. Before closing I am going to print the custom message. The data in the file is it will display, and I am going to close the file reader object, close it. So before going to run, we have to check what it contains. This text file contains hello Java basics. Now I am going to run. It will display the same data in the console. Run as Java application. The data in the file is something txt. The file name is txt. T.text dot read array. Something is missing. The file data in the file is, so here we have to print the data. So this array data we have to print here. So now I am going to run a Java application. So it will return the data in the file is hello Java basics. If you open the file, it contains the same. So now the file reader is working. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.